You know for sure it's not for climb. But at the ridge line, never lets me down. Well, let's begin. From starting position, I want you to see it in 5 steps. With only key moment. If you're standing and getting loose, simultaneously tie the working one, and opposite. Left hand holds working end in the full fist. Right hand holds standing one, using pinky and ring fingers. On the width of your palm, wrap working end around index and middle, making a loop. Rotate it over standing counterclockwise. Pull working end through the loop using index and middle. Tie the running knot using middle and thumb. Finally, fix the cord in the right fist like this and tie the hitch. Again, keep attention on the both ends all the way. On the standing one, we help ourselves using pinky and ring. That's all. Feel free to leave a comment if you know the better way. Be safe and keep your eyes open. And you're out.